Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change your language settings on Etsy. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now to change your language on Etsy, there is two mainly methods. The first one is basically throughout a VPN and the second one is actually throughout the settings. So once you go to the VPN, you can download any VPN. You can use Urban VPN proxy and go to add to Chrome, and this will affect your settings in your account automatically once you create it or once you log in into it. So this is a very common one. It's free, so you could use it for free. Simply just click on add to Chrome and then change it to whatever state or basically country you want, and then click on connect. So this is the first solution. The second solution is from settings directly. So sign into your account, click on this, and simply go to your profile, go to account settings, and from here go all the way down to the accounts, go to location settings, and here choose your language. So you can change it to whatever you want. Like here, English UK, English US, Espanol, Francais, Italiano, etc. So there's not much of languages. They start with Dutch, and I think it finishes with Ukrainian, I guess Russian. I don't know what is this exactly, but yeah, overall, all these languages are all you have for it. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And in case you have guys any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will make sure to solve them all. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.